What's happening, everyone? Back at you with another hard reset. Today we are going to do the Motorola Moto G 2026. If you're one of these and it has a pattern or a password and you don't know what it is, I'll show you how to do a hard reset on this. Also, if you guys haven't yet subscribed, we've got a ton of these hard resets and teardowns coming up, so any support always helps. And before we get started, just remember when you do a hard reset, you will delete all the data off the phone. So if you have anything important on here, it's definitely going to get deleted. So let's jump right into this. First thing we got to do is turn the phone off, and it does not want to turn off because it has a passcode. So to show you, I'll show you guys here shortly on how to get past that. But you have your volume up, volume down, and power button right there. What we want to do is we want to hold all the buttons together. You got your volume up, volume down, and power. And I try to like flick the screen a little bit to just make sure that I know when the phone turns off. As soon as it turns off, just let go of volume up, but keep holding volume down and power. Perfect. So that will get you into your bootloader mode. So if you have the phone and it's already off, all you have to do is just hold volume down and power to get into this mode. If it's got a password and you obviously can't turn it off, you would want to hold both buttons and then let go of volume up as soon as the phone turns on. So from here, we want to use the volume buttons to navigate, power button to select. So we're going to navigate to recovery mode, hit the power button. This takes a second to load, but it'll be there in a second. All right, so when we get the no command screen, what we want to do is hold the power button and tap volume up and then let go of both buttons relatively quick. So I'm going to hold power, tap volume up, and let go of them really quick. The main reason is because sometimes if you hold the power button too long, you'll trigger this reboot, and then you basically have to start the whole process over just to save you some time. From here, we want to use the volume buttons to scroll, power button to select, and we'll scroll to wipe data factory reset, hit the power button, confirm, hit it again. Now it's deleting, now it's done, and in this case, I'm just going to power off the phone, but if you do restart it, it will just load to the welcome screen, and you can set it up like it was when it was new. So that is how we do a hard reset on a Motorola Moto G 2026. I want to thank you guys for watching. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment. Otherwise, we'll catch you on the next one.